XRP Ripple's next big win. What is it? We're going to talk about that in this video. We all know that Thursday of the previous week, basically this last week behind us, that we got the groundbreaking decision from Judge Torres in the Ripple SEC lawsuit, and unequivocally it went Ripple's way. And this was a win celebrated across all of crypto, nationally, globally. This was news that we all celebrated. And so what's the next? What's the next big thing on the horizon for Ripple? That's what we're going to talk about this in this video. We'll also look at the XRP token, the price point, what's going on with it in this video. As always, thanks for your support of myself, my channel, and my videos. Okay, so right now, this is the next big thing. There is speculation now rising over a potential IPO following Ripple's SEC victory. So, what is an IPO? If you don't know that, it's an initial public offering of stock for Ripple. So basically, on the stock exchange, right? And so, well, that's the NASDAQ or the Dow or whatever it is, most likely NASDAQ because they're a tech oriented company. This is the next big thing. And this is something that this, obviously the lawsuit being settled, and definitely because it went in Ripple's way, this is something that's been kind of waiting in the winds. And now the speculation is that this is going to be the next big thing for obviously Ripple. And it would, if they ended up doing this, it would of course create a tremendous amount of capital via the IPO for them to go out and spend accordingly on their business and and all of the above, right? All of everything to help fuel their growth and so forth. So this is something I think that's big and it's out there, and you need to be aware of it. Okay, so let's talk about what's going on with the price of XRP right now. You can see that the market right now is kind of oscillating as of the recording of this video between kind of being up just a little bit and being down just a little bit, basically flat. But XRP is really the only thing that's doing anything. It's up 6+%. You can see, so we're back to that 77-cent range. And if we hit the 24-hour here, we can see that, again, 1-inch Maker, XRP, Terra Classic, these are kind of the top four. But XRP, again, in that firmly now in that 70-cent range. If we click in here and we look at, say, the last 7 days, of course, this was the decision, right? But what I love is this. I love that we've consolidated now and we've established a new support. And this is definitely in the 70-cent range is the new support range. And you can even see, like right here where my cursor is, we've started to move back up. So we established kind of support in that 71, 72, 73-cent range. And we're now starting to inch back up. So from 74, which would have been actually earlier today, 4:35 a.m. Today, that would be Central Time. So basically Dallas time, it started to move up from 72 all the way up to, the 77-cent range rather, excuse me. So looking good in that front. And so again, we got this IPO thing out there, great looking chart, great consolidation going on, that kind of sideways build consensus. So it can kind of build the support for the next level to move on. I really like what I'm seeing there. Okay. All right. We'll see you. Go make some money.